YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave. I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, welcome back to another video. In this video right here, I'm gonna show y'all how I made like $1,500 this week so far trading US30. Before I get into that, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. Like the video. If you want to learn how to trade, I do have a free course. The link is down below. You get the free course, and you can use my bot for free for 3 days. And yeah, man, you can see if it, if it work for you. So these trades that I'm gonna go over, some of these trades are from me, but they're also from my bot as well. It's fully automated, and yeah, man, you can make money without you actually clicking a button. Now, I know I've been ghost on YouTube as far as making videos, and I don't know why when I get real busy, I don't know why I put YouTube on a back burner, but yeah, man, I just been doing a lot as far as like my business and background stuff like that, and I apologize, man. I really, really do. I gotta do better with that. All right, so right now we're looking at US30. I'm gonna pretty much walk y'all through the trades that I took yesterday and the trades that I took today. All of this stuff happened on TikTok Live. I know y'all think like, bro, where the hell you be at? I really be on TikTok. I be on TikTok. I've been trying to learn Instagram ads because I'm trying to scale my business, and I just be working on my website and stuff. And I drop a lot of YouTube videos, but I drop a lot of like shorts. So I know some of y'all probably not in the shorts algorithm. I don't even know if y'all be seeing me on there, but I do drop a lot of shorts. But as far as actual videos, I really do be slacking. All right, but I'm gonna do better, man. I really am. I just gotta get this shit together. And I'm doing it by myself, son. I'm only one person. All right, but right now we're looking at US30. We'll definitely start off on the daily time frame. All of these trades, I did them on TikTok Live. I go live every day at 9 a.m. So if you wanna, learn how to trade, definitely hop on them lives. All right, so I start off on a daily time frame, and this is pretty much like the range that we in on a daily time frame. And honestly, like when it comes to the way that I trade super duper simple. I'm not the best trader in the world. I'm not a guru or anything like that. I don't try to act like, like I'll never lose or nothing like that. But I trade very simple, and I make a good amount of money by the way that I trade. So trading don't gotta be hard. Trading does not have to be complicated. And then I got a bot that trade for me too, which I really don't have to trade at all. I could really just let my bot do his job. But sometimes the bot take trades, and my bias is a little bit different than the bot's bias, and that's why I still be doing it. All right, so starting off on a daily time frame, just looking at this right here on US30, I honestly can't really tell a direction. I can't tell if this is going up or down. On live, I've been telling everybody for the past few days, like, bro, I don't know if this is going up or down. So, I mean, if I had to really say, if I had to take a trade right now based off of what I see, I would say down. But I mean, like this right here is liquidity. Like this right here is mad liquidity right here. Then you have this gap that still never got filled. It's definitely gonna get filled eventually. Like it's a lot of upside liquidity. But if I'm just trading based off of what I know, if I'm just following my strategy, I would say that this is bearish. All right, but good thing I don't got to take a trade just based off of the daily time frame because I wouldn't know what the hell to do. So based off of the daily, can't really tell. It was like that today. This is today currently, and then this was yesterday. I mean, I can't tell based off of that. Then we go to the 4-hour time frame. Hold on, let me do it like this. Start off so I can see yesterday. So this is pretty much starting off this week, and actually let's go to this. So this is starting off this week at the time of yesterday, at the time of pretty much when I trade. I was telling everybody that I was expecting US30 to go up just based off of the 4-hour time frame. It definitely looked like it was going up. And then today was the same thing. On the daily time frame, I couldn't tell. I didn't know what it was going to do. But when I went down to the 4-hour time frame, it did look like it was bullish. It looked like it was bullish yesterday. And then it looked like it was bullish today. And we could go down to the 1-hour time frame. This is the 1-hour time frame from yesterday. I take my trades around 9:30, or I take my trades at 9:30 exactly. My bot takes the trades at 9:30 exactly as well, and I go live at 9 a.m. So we kind of just talk until like 9:30. Then at 9:30, that's when it's game time. That's when we get into our actual trade. So This candle had open because this is a 9 o'clock candle. It was going up and down. I don't remember exactly where it was at the time of like when I was talking, but I definitely was bullish. I was seeing that this was gonna go up, and I got into a buy. My targets were right here. This was my first target. This level of liquidity was my first target. This was the high of the 23rd of April 23rd. That's the first place where I figured it was gonna go to. And hold on, what is this? That's just a regular line. Yeah, so this was my very first target, and then this was my second target. On my other broker, it actually hit this second target, but I guess it didn't hit it on this one. I'm just now seeing that. So that was my first target. Like I said, I was bullish. So at 9:30, and I did post this clip on my shorts as well. If you didn't see that, bro, why is it not on here? Oh, that's the 25th. My bad. I'm over here like, bro, what the fuck what's going on? Alright, so this is, come on, son, get right. Alright, so at 9:30, I did get into a buy. Not only did I get into a buy, because I had already told everybody in the chat, I was like, yo, bro, I'm gonna buy this at 9:30. It's not financial advice. When I call out trades, I'm not telling everybody else to take them. I'm just telling everybody what I'm about to do. You feel me? So I told everybody that I was gonna buy it. I did not know what the Wave Trader was gonna do. The Wave Trader is the automated bot that I created myself. The Wave Trader has been making bread. If you follow me on Instagram, if you follow my business page on Instagram, you see a lot of people talking about it. If you go on my website, you will see I got tons of testimonials inside of my Discord, tons of testimonials of people actually using the bot and making bread. I'll actually show that to y'all in this video as well. But yeah, so this was the 9:30 candle. This was the 9:29 candle. I got into a buy, and the Wave Trader also got into a buy. So we had two buys right here. My ultimate take profit was right here, but I usually go for about 200 points. And you can see, as soon as we got into that trade, man, we did not hit any kind of drawdown. As soon as we got into it, it was perfect. And this was yesterday. It hit our first take profit, which was 100 points on this account. My first take profit was 100 points. You can see that it closed out partial right here. And then I ended up getting into another buy right here. And yeah, man, I just pretty much just let it rock. I got out of it a little bit early because my real take profit was right here, but you can see I closed them out down here just because, I don't know. I know that usually once it hits that first target, once it hits like yesterday's high or yesterday's low, that's when the market it could do anything after that. So, and I was on live, so I'm like, man, let me just close this out because I ain't trying to do the most. So, you know, yesterday, pretty good. I don't know how much I made yesterday. I think it was like 800 or something. So that was actually a really, really good day. And then today, like I said, all of that happened live. And then my bot made money yesterday as well. So shout out to the Wave Trader. Shout out to everybody who has the Wave Trader. The Wave Trader took the exact same trade as me. It took a buy right here exactly when I took one. The only thing, the Wave Trader didn't take this second trade, but it did take a buy at the exact same place. It moved our stop loss to break even automatically. It moved our take profit. It moved our stop loss to break even. It closed out partials for us automatically. And it pretty much did everything. So shout out to everybody who has the Wave Trader. If you want to get the Wave Trader, man, a lot of y'all be asking me about the bots. And y'all, I know a lot of people are skeptical about it and stuff like that. So I am making it available for it to y'all for free, man. You can use it for 3 days. It's inside of my free course. The link is in the description. All right, but that was yesterday's trade. Now we can go to today's trade. It's pretty much the same thing as far as like starting off in a daily time frame. I did not know, I couldn't tell a real direction, and I said this on live, like, bro, I don't know what the hell is about to do. We went down to the 4-hour time frame. Same thing as yesterday. I was like, yo, it looked like it's going up on the 4-hour time frame. Then we went down to the 1-hour time frame, and we just go back to this one. We went to the 1-hour time frame, and honestly, at the time of the live, this candle was all the way down here. This was a huge bearish candle at the time of the live, and it's funny because I always ask everybody in the group or in the chat, I'm like, yo, do y'all think it's gonna go up or down? Everybody was saying down. Everybody was saying, oh yeah, it's bearish, man. It's definitely about to start going down. And everybody, they just be copying me, you feel me? Some of them really be like taking trades on their own, but for the most part, the hundreds of people that be on there, they low-key just be waiting for me to call out a trade, and they just copy it, and they make their money, then they just going about their day. They don't send me messages saying how they made money. They don't say thank you. They don't do nothing, son. They really just use me for trades and then just leave. But it's all good. But yeah, everybody was saying that it was bearish, and then I told them, I was like, all right, well, I think it's gonna go up, so I'm looking to buy this at 9:30, and that's literally what I did. So I did get into a buy at 9:30. All right, I got into a buy. It was a little bit of slippage right here. I wanted to get in as soon as this candle closed. It was a little bit of slippage, which is okay. You know, that's just a part of trading. So not only did I get into a buy, but my bot also got into a buy as well. The wave trader also got into a buy. Now, first we could talk about the wave trader's buy. So the wave trader got into a buy. And the wave trader, it actually got into a buy up here as well. Kind of slipped past it a little bit. And it hit our first take profit, which was about 30 points. Or it moved our stop loss to break even at 30 points. And then this candle came right back down, took me out at break even. And this happened on live, and when that happened, I was like, fuck, like, cause I was bullish. I wanted it to go up, and I like when me and the wave trader are on the same page. Like, for the most part, if I think it's gonna go up and the wave trader thinks it's gonna go up, most of the time, those be the best days. But it are some times where I think it's gonna go up and the wave trader thinks the opposite, or vice versa. And like those are days where it's like, damn, I don't know which one is gonna be right. But yeah, today was one of those days where I thought it was gonna go up. The wave trader did get into a buy as well, but after, we was probably in a trade for like 20 seconds, or I was in a trade for about 20 seconds. Then it came down, took me at that break even for the bot. And some people who has the bot, it didn't take them out at break even. Some of them just held it, but you know, that just depends on what your settings were and all of that. But I did get into a buy. And my first take profit was right here, 100 points away. You can see it closed out half of our trade right here. And then I got into another buy as well. Once I saw that this candle pretty much broke above this high. Once I saw that this candle broke above the high, I did get into a buy. Also, the wave trader actually got into a sell when this candle closed. All right, not for this account. It was for my, because I be trading on different accounts. But for my other account, the one that I use on TikTok Live, it got into a sell right here. And we was in drawdown for a little bit, and then it started coming down. And I was telling everybody, like, yeah, I don't like the fact that it took this sell, because I wanted it to go up. I was bullish. So the fact that it took a sell, I was a little bit iffy about that. And usually when it comes to the bot, I let the bot do its job. Like, I designed it for a reason, you feel me, to trade. So I don't like to interfere with it. I don't like to get out of trades early and intervene with it. I like to just let it run. So it was supposed to move our stop loss to break even. It was supposed to move our stop loss to break even at like right here. But you see it got close to it. It didn't actually hit it. Or it didn't actually come down to it. So for me, some people in the university actually just took the money, because I was saying on live, I'm like, bro, y'all should just take that. Some of them took their profit. And then you can see this next candle start going up. And I ended up just closing out that sell, because I was already iffy about the sell. So that sell, I did take a small loss on that. But that's for my TikTok chart, if this makes sense, because I trade on two different charts at the same time. So like, I have my TikTok account that I'll show y'all, and then I have my other account, and this is my other account. So I don't have the wave trader running on this one. The wave trader runs on my other one. So I got into another buy right here, and I mean, you can see it for yourself. It did hit take profit 1 right here. So I mean, by this time I had already made, you know, a good amount of bread. I was pretty much up. And what happened actually? Oh yeah, so I had already made a good amount of bread right here. My overall target for this trade, this was my overall target for this trade. Or no, this was my take profit for the first buy, and then this target right here was my take profit for the second buy. So what happened was, so this was my take profit. You can see it got real close to my take profit, and then it started to drop, right? And then this was the entry for my second trade. And as it started to come down, I ain't gonna lie, I got a little bit nervous, because I I'm trading 2 accounts at one time. I'm on TikTok live. I'm trying to entertain and trade at the same time. So it would just be a lot going on, son. So and then I'm looking at a chat. I'm seeing people say, "Oh, it's going down. It's going down." And I'm looking. I'm like, "Damn, this shit is going down." I'm seeing my profit started to go down a little bit. I was still in this trade, but then it was this one that I was worried about because my stop loss was at break even for both of them, so it was risk free. I had already made money on both of these trades. Like, it was risk free. I just wanted to make more. I just wanted to at least hit my take profit. So it came down real close to it. I got a little bit nervous. I ended up getting out of it. Didn't really make a lot of money from it. And then as soon as I got out of it, son, it started to go up. And I low-key start crashing out on live because I was just blown. Like, bro, I should have fucking stayed in it, blah, 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 blah. I was still in this trade right here. You can see that it did end up hitting my take profit. It got real close to it right here. Then it went down. Then it came back, hit my take profit. I was pretty excited about that. But then once it started to go up, that's when I started crashing out over this trade. Like, bro, I should have just freaking stayed in it, blah, blah, blah. But you can see, even if I did stay in it, it still would have came back down. Took me out of that break even anyway. So, I mean, low-key, I should have just took my profit at the same time as my first trade. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. You feel me? It is what it is. I made money, so that's all I could really. I'm grateful for the money that I made. But then it pretty much came all the way back down to the price at market open, because this is market open right here. It came all the way right back down to market open, and then it ended up going up to the level, our original level, where we pretty much was calling out from the beginning. All right, so yeah, man, that's pretty much, today is Tuesday, and we've been doing pretty good, man. It has been a pretty good week, and low-key, honestly, like I said, I'm not a guru. I don't try to act like I'm the best trader in the world, and I don't post a lot of trading content on YouTube anymore, just because my channel is just weird. I need to be doing that, though. I really do, because I'm over here trying to scale my business, and I know that YouTube is a great way to scale my business. I know it's a lot of y'all who literally subscribe to me for trading. A lot of y'all didn't know what trading was until you found me. You feel me? I'm the one who showed you how to make an account, showed you how to deposit money into your account. Like, you learned that from me. So I don't know why I be neglecting y'all. I gotta stop doing that. And if y'all see that I'm not on YouTube, bro, y'all gotta tell me. Like, bro, where you at? Why you ain't posting? You feel me? Put the fire to me, man. But at the end of the day, it's all about me internally. I just gotta do it, honestly. But yeah, I made about $1,600 over the past 2 days. It's been pretty good so far, man. Pretty good week. Hopefully we can finish this week strong. I do have a MyFX book for the Wave Trader, for the account that I'm trading with on TikTok. The MyFX book is pretty new, so I wanted to gather more data before I start like publicly talking about it and showing it and stuff like that. But that is for the Wave Trader. The Wave Trader is a fully automated bot that trades for you. You really do not have to do anything. You can try it. I know a lot of y'all be skeptical about trading. A lot of y'all are skeptical about bots, which I understand. So you can try it for free. The link is down below. And I'm gonna just tell you now, bro, if you're gonna use the bot, follow every freaking direction that I have, man. If it says use MetaTrader 4, do not freaking try to download MetaTrader 5 and use it on MetaTrader 5. Do exactly what I'm telling you to do, and then you will have the same results. All right. So yeah, you could use it. You could try it out for free, and if you like it and you want to get the actual version of it, you could join our university. The university link is in the description as well. I appreciate y'all, man. If you are a struggling trader, or if you're somebody who want to learn how to trade, man, click the link down below. If you're a struggling trader, bro, just keep going. Just keep grinding, man. I'm telling you, it's going to get easier and easier. I wasn't always able to, do what I'm doing now. And, I mean, even though I made, $1,800 in 2 days, which is pretty good, or $1,600, I don't know how much, but even though I made that in 2 days, and that is pretty good, the people who I learned from, bro, they made 2,200 bands today. You feel me? They made 50 bands yesterday. So it's like, it's definitely levels to this. And it's always room to level up. So appreciate y'all. If you enjoyed this video, man, definitely like the video. If you got any questions, man, definitely ask them in the comments. I do respond to the comments. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok, because that's where I go live. You can see all of this stuff happen on live. You can see the bots working live in front of everybody and all that good stuff. So that's the end of this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That's it. Stay cool. Stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Peace.